Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add text to AI generated images in Ideogram. Let's get started. First, open your Ideogram app. Then here, sign in with your Google account and use a prompt with text instruction. In the prompt box, type what the text that you want to include in the image. This is the example prompt format. Text, include your message, and type your style like the font type or design, your image, background, or scene. For example, here, type or text the Welcome to Paradise with a bold written style or beach sunset background, or sale 50% off bold neon font, black background centered layout. And you need to be specific about the layout to guide the AI. Include layouts instructions, like for example, the centered text, text at top, text overlay or an image or large text, and more. Then click generate and wait for the ideogram to produce your AI image with text. And tap your chosen result. And once you're happy with the result, just tap the three dots, then tap download. And you can now download and share the image that the AI generates it. Ideogram doesn't let you directly edit the text after generation. If you want to tweak it, you can use another image editor like Canva, Pixellab, or Photoroom on your phone and upload the downloaded image and add it or change the text manually. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.